Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation year 2015, 16, 17 F-150. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the heated steering wheel is located, which fuse you guys need to check, where to buy cheap replacement fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. All that guys will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. Here guys, now we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 where the heated steering wheel fuse is located. Now you have guys 2 different fuse boxes. The main fuse box is under the hood on your truck, in the engine bay behind the car battery, and if you open that fuse box, you guys have fuses, relays that could be Ford specific or really weird looking guys, that could be expensive, overpriced, hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them from at a good price and quick shipping guys. So the fuse that we need for the heated steering wheel for your F-150 will be in the cabin on your F-150, in the passenger footwell right here, and that kick panel right there on the side, on the right side. You remove that cover there and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. Once you guys open it, you will see that layout. Before we continue guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the fuse that you will need to check specifically here now for the heated steering wheel will be, I'm going to zoom in so you can clearly see now. We're going to come in the left side right here, and next to the fuses you will see numbers. For instance, right here we have 33, 4, 5, 36, 37. The fuse for the heated steering wheel will be that fuse number 36, which is a 15 amp fuse that you will need to check. Check that fuse if your heated steering wheel doesn't work. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.